afternoon, everyone, and welcome. We're standing on the new site of the Fire District Number 1, Station 31. I'd like to take a little moment to recognize some people that are here with us today. First of all, we have Michael O'Donnell from the 2nd District, Sedgwick County Commission. Kelly Arnold, our county clerk. Tom Winter is in the audience, previous commissioner from District 3. Welcome. Chief Tammy Snow from the city of Wichita. Appreciate you being here today. Chief Doug Williams, our chief, Sedgwick County Fire District Number 1. And especially the reason that we're all here are the firefighters that are standing here, because this is going to be the new home for our fire district, for Sedgwick County Fire District Number 1. Thank you for all our firefighters. Also, we have representatives from Hanney and Associates Architects and Conco Incorporated. We want to thank you for helping us bring this project to fruition. Thank you very much for being here. This is a great day for Fire District Number 1. As the commissioner for District 3 representing this area, I can tell you how thrilled that I am that we are breaking ground today. It's the first groundbreaking of a fire station since I've been serving as a Sedgwick County Commissioner. It's been a long time coming, especially since the current location down the street was supposed to be a temporary location that was built back in the 1990s. This new location will allow us to store all of our firefighting equipment inside of a building, and it will also allow for future growth. It also provides facilities for both male and female firefighters. And at this time, I'd like to turn the microphone over to Chief Doug Williams for a few words about our project.
Thank you, Commissioner Dennis. The men and women of Fire District 1 are looking forward to the new fire station. This station will give us the better quarters to house both mixed gender and have shower rooms in the facilities for both genders. Our new fire station will have large bays, which will allow us to house more than one truck. Currently, our fire truck is the only one in it, and if we house another truck there, it has to be parked outside. So we look very much forward to being able to house our equipment that way. This station will also allow for the future growth into western Sedgwick County and provide better service to all of our citizens in this part of the county. Once again, our goal is, as we break down today, is to have a new station completed by May of next year. And without further delay, let's break some dirt.